Welcome to ASE Table Talk. I'm Dr. Kevin Linfield. With me today is Craig Rude, Technical Director of Airflow Sciences Equipment. Craig, what are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about the probes used for ASME PTC 4.2 coal sampling. So we fabricate all these probes here in Livonia, Michigan, and these probes, like I say, are used for coal sampling or really any other relatively dry product where you want to know the mass flow rate of the product as it's going through a pipe or a duct.
So when would I use these types of probes? What kind of applications would I be talking about?
So like I say, primarily these are used for coal pipe testing. This is used for measuring the coal in a pulverized coal power plant. You measure the coal through each individual pipe. So you'd use this dirty air probe, and you just use this to measure the velocity and the temperature. So this is the velocity and the temperature of the air, not the coal typically, but this is what's used for setting your extraction rate when you move on to the extractive testing. So these two probes are used for extracting the coal. You set a vacuum, it physically sucks the coal in, it gets collected, and then afterwards you can weigh the sample to determine your mass flow rate.
Excellent. And you mentioned that we have two different probes here, and obviously Airflow Sciences sells them both. Now, when would I choose this one over this one, for example?
So this probe here is specifically built to the geometric specifications in ASME PTC 4.2. So if you want to strictly adhere to the method, this is the probe you would use.
Okay.
The probe we've designed here is very similar in function. It just has a little bit of a different nozzle. So what we've found is, with a smaller nozzle, you can get away with a little less vacuum, so your setup's a little simpler. And also, we've just found through extensive testing that the results are a lot more repeatable and representative when you use the smaller circular nozzle.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for the information, Craig. I'm Dr. Kevin Linfield, and this has been ASE Table Talk. Thank you.